I was given 24 hours to drive from Atlanta, Georgia, through Jacksonville, down to Daytona to pick up a free truck, or that truck was going to get sent to the junkyard. With such short time, I had no other option. I grabbed Jake. Jake brought his Tahoe on 26x16, which isn't the best vehicle to be towing things with. We stopped by our buddy's house. We picked up a trailer that wasn't ours.
Oh, the text message that we got was, hey, there's a couple of sticks on the trailer.
We had to drive to Daytona, pick up the truck, turn around, come back, don't get pulled over by the cops, and make it back to Southern Tire. Now the truck's been sitting here for a year and I haven't touched it, and I kind of want to build it. What should we do?
Up there too. Oh my gosh.
There's one thing in this world I don't like, and it is
and it's spiders. Oh my.
You ever get that feeling you're like, we need to get the hell out of here? It's one of those moments. What's up, guys? Video number 2 of the Ram 1500 build series. I had a beautiful idea. So the Ram over here has a battery draw problem, right? So if you guys saw the last video, we got it moved to its new home at the front of the shop, right? Up here, Sean's up here, got his nice, I can't zoom the camera with, there it is, right? Zooming the camera with one hand is not the easiest thing to do. So mission today, one, I want to try and get it cleaned up a little bit. We're going to take more of the stuff out of it so we can try and get it cleaned out. I'm going to have Matt Odoms come by in the next couple of days and really detail inside and out. I've got some quotes on front end work, brakes, tires, and I've got some ideas going around in my head about what I want to do this thing. Maybe level it wide, maybe lower the rear end wide, something. But first problem that we need to address with this truck is, one, it's still filled with spiders, which is not good. Here, you might have turned the...
Yo, man, let's get this bread.
Turn the lens around. Bread gang for fucking life, buddy. It's still got, It's still got spiders all in it, which is not good. So I need to get the spiders out. But the biggest problem is the battery. So this truck has a battery draw problem somewhere. It might be the computer or something with this truck is having a problem to where I put a brand new battery in it and it dies overnight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get the battery warrantied out, get a new battery in for it, and then we're gonna get a quick disconnect for the positive battery cable so I can leave the truck unplugged when I'm not using it. What's up?
I'm gonna pull up and do a Drake.
Do a Drake? Life is good. Greg, hey, if you guys want to check out some of the apparel that we're wearing in the videos, I've got Amazon links to support your boy in the description, and you can check out the Bread Gang shirts and decals and Southern Tire stuff in the description below at southerntirescollection.com. Go show some love to your boy. Make this quick. Shout out to Johnny for getting me my battery super quick. I specifically told him that I was going to show him some love in the video for getting me my battery real quick. So shout out to Johnny. We're going to have to do a little bit of have some ingenuity here. I took the hood latch off because the hood latch was not closing ever, so had to use some ingenuity there. But we're gonna swap the battery out because I got something cool to show you guys that we're putting on this today. We're putting some new tires on it. I'm really excited.
Were you digging through all your trash?
Yeah. Huh. Sorry. Trying to find my 10 mil. Of course. Of course. It's not working out too well.
You ain't never finding it.
A little bag of fun over here. Oh, I need this piece. Never works out how you want it to, right? 13, 12, we're going in the right direction. 11, no, shoot me in the face.
Next one should be 9.
15, 14, 10, there we go. That's freaking trash, huh? Out here in the damn forces, bro, just grinding. How much do you pay the Snap-on man a month? Enough? Oh yeah, get all that corrosion on there, hell yeah. This one is so much easier to deal with than my damn silver truck. I changed the battery on my silver truck the other day, and it's a freaking nightmare, bro. It really is. Freaking nightmare to change the battery on that damn thing. That corrosion on there though. And that, sir, drop the keys, why don't you? Don't drop the soap. 142,000 miles, baby. Let's freaking go, baby. Let's get this bread. Come on now. So, look, this is what we're gonna have to do. I ordered a quick disconnect for the positive battery cable because there's some kind of a battery draw issue. So, now that I've got this battery warrantied out, thanks to Johnny. Shout out Johnny. Love you, Johnny. Thanks, Johnny. Johnny. I told him I was gonna shout him out in the video. Now I'm just gonna disconnect the battery cable when we're not using it. Now we're gonna have a good battery all the time so we can move the truck. But I'm really excited today because we're putting new tires on this thing. It's got some old 17s on it. I wanna put new wheels on it, but for now, there's a used set of ridge grapplers downstairs. So we're gonna be matching ridge grapplers with the old bow tie over here. I'm really excited. Hell yeah. Started off, to be honest, I started this morning off not knowing what the hell I was gonna do with this thing. And one conversation with Sean up front just completely changed the day for me. So shout out Sean, my cameraman today, for switching up the vibes for me today. Still have no hood latch on this, so we can't drive it on the street either though.
How's that oil right there treating you?
That oil? Oh, I've already used one gallon of it.
Is it starting? Like,
Yeah, man, it starts fine. Yeah, it's actually not that bad. So he gave me this for the bow tie in another video. I've already used one. Is this a gallon?
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 gallon of it. So I was my engine started ticking one day. I got so low on oil. It kind of scared me a little bit. I was a little worried. I'm not gonna lie. I'm excited. We're getting some new tires on it today. Getting the 285s, 285 7017. You know, a little set of used ridge grapplers never hurt anybody. I've been riding on the little bow tie ones for a long time, so I'm not too upset at all. What's up?
Want to pick out which ones you want to put in the rear?
Yeah. I would. Yeah, I mean, I'm not driving the truck around, but I would put this one in the rear. Is that another one? I would put maybe these two in the rear then, over here. Yeah, put those two in the rear. And I think Mikey might have figured out my little battery draw problem, so we're gonna leave the battery connected. I don't know when this happened, because when I brought the truck up here, this wasn't like this. So this must have happened within the last year or so while it's been sitting up here. Somebody or something broke the tail light open, but I mean, I ain't too mad at it. Just a chance for me to swap it out for some new ones, I guess. Level it out in the front, get it sitting kind of level. I think that's the move. Level it wide. Part of the Dodge gang now.
Bro, this fucking dude.
Part of the Dodge gang.
Fucking scrapped it, right?
Matt Odom tells me every day we need to jump it into the lake by his buddy's house.
Yes. Yeah.
I can't do it. I don't want to do it.
That would be some power shit.
If it wasn't a V8 and it didn't have cold AC, maybe. But
It's that cold AC.
it's got cold AC and it runs, so I can't. Look at me back here.
They also got spiders too.
It's got all kinds of spiders. Yes. I was like maybe a couple seconds of burnout away from this tire being. But the funniest part is that side is completely trashed, and this side's perfect because this side doesn't spin. It's only the other side that spins, and it upsets me. But it is what it is.
I dropped it into first gear.
Drop in first gear and let it eat.
Yep.
You guys ever want to see what the suspension on a truck that's been by the beach for 10 years looks like? That's rough, bro. It's gonna need brakes and calipers and rotors and all kinds of stuff. All kinds of stuff. But we'll get there. We'll get there. Yeah, it's bad. I know. It's bad. We'll get there. It's okay. It's a work in progress. Rears are kind of rough too. It's workable. It's workable. We can get around this. New pads and rotors. Throw me a taillight in there. Ooh, look at that damn. at them damn tires on that thing. We're about to be sitting right, is all I'm saying. We're about to be sitting right. With the ridge grapplers. Oh, I'm super excited. You guys have no idea. I haven't been this excited for just a set of tires since I put tires on my white truck. I wasn't even this excited to put new headlights on my 2014. Oh man, I need to get this thing cleaned up. I need to wash it today is what I probably need to do. Matt, where you at, Matt? Stop playing games. Odom's detailing. I need some assistance. Boy, got them things on him. Trying to film the drone and this at the same time. Terrifying. Got the drone filming. Can't roast these tires off. It's these tires off. Chewy broke one of my damn center caps off. Bloopers. All right. Oh, yep. Breaking off more of the damn. Nope. All right. Okay. Oh, now it's. Hell yeah. Now it's staying. Hell yeah. Had one good time in there.
Rusty nutsack.
You like my ball back there?
Yeah, Rusty nutsack. That's the name of the truck.
Rusty Ball.
Rusty Ball.
His name's Ball. No. Somebody in the comments is gonna pick the name. Okay.
I'm trying to think of names.
Awkward. I wanted to do this after I got the truck cleaned up, but it just spur of the moment kind of thing. Why are you eating my... He's back there eating a piece of my tail light back there. Don't put that in your mouth, Thomas. I bet you've never heard me say those words before. Don't put that in your mouth.
I'll put it back in your tail light.
So one of my caps broke off, so we don't have the caps on it anymore, which is fine. I'm thinking about getting a set of 20-inch stocks for this thing that I found for pretty cheap. A buddy of mine's gonna help me out with, but let me know what you guys think. We're rocking the Bubba set. What's going on back here? Jeez. Okay. Smoke Mikey out, I guess. There's been all kinds of burnouts out here. I've got almost like the Cummins Bubba look going right now. If I threw a leveling kit on this thing, I could probably do some 35s, and I probably will. But okay, so hear me out.
We put a Cummins in.
Hear me out. So Sean, that was up here, that was helping me film earlier, has a set of 35, 12, 50, 20 mud graps, a set of used ones. Like they're almost bald. So what if I got those 20s? What if I got those 20s? What if I got those 20s from Corey, put a leveling kit on it, and get the 20s and the 35 mud graps?
Okay, yeah.
That'd be kind of fire though, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
That would be fire.
What are these, like 33s?
These, yeah, it's a 33, 285. That would be fire. I might have to do that actually. I'd have to find out how much he'd give me for those tires. Because I'm not trying to spend a whole bunch. The whole point of this build is kind of be budget.
Budget build.
So this was a set of used tires that was going to get thrown away. So I have spent nothing on the tires and nothing on the labor to get these tires put on. And I'm pretty sure we figured out the electrical draw problem. Mikey told me that the dome light stuff was on the whole time. But I don't know anything about this truck. I don't even know where the dome light stuff is. Oh, I guess it's cargo light or something over here. I'm not sure, but some kind of light was on in the truck. So at the moment, I think we've got our electrical problem figured out. What?
You got a trunk box.
Yeah, I got a box back here. I don't know what's in here though. Bunch of stuff. The previous owner was a rental property like manager kind of thing. So he did a lot of home improvement, kind of do-it-yourself kind of repair work. Handyman stuff. So, but let me know what you guys think. We got some ridge grapplers to match the old skinny bow tie over here, and I'm really freaking excited. I love the way that this truck looks right now. It's slowly coming together. Two videos in, and all I'm saying is I don't think it looks too bad. That's all I'm saying. It needs a bath really bad. Matt Odoms, second time in this video, I'm calling you out, Matt. Where are you? I need your help. Come save the. We need to name this truck.
Ooh.
We need to name this truck.
Think about that.
Look. We got some new tires put on the truck today. I think we've got some of the mechanical like engine problems figured out today. We're starting front end work soon. I think I'm gonna throw a little leveling kit on this thing and maybe do the mud graps. Let me know in the comments below, what should we name this truck? Throw some very simple one-word names in the description below, and I'm gonna pick one of the names out of the description for the truck. I love you guys. See you next time. Let's get this bread.